Now let us start exercise 4b, exercise 4b with question number 8. 8. Question number 8 is find five rational number between -3 and -2. So we have to write a five rational number between this. So I will tell you how we write the numbers. Now this is -3 and then give some space and write down -2. Then put a denominator 1 and here also 1. We need 5 rational numbers, so we have to multiply with 6. If we want 10 rational number, we just multiply with 11. Clear? And it may be your तो इसमें पीछे अगर तुम अपना आंसर चेक करोगे तो द आंसर मे बी डिफरेंट, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. So sorry, 6 3 is -18 upon 6 and this is -12 upon 6. So now -3 upon 1 times 6 and -2 upon 1 times 6, we get -18 upon 6 and -12 upon 6. Now the rational number between -3 and -2 is equal to, or r कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, -17 upon 6, -16 upon 6, -15 upon 6, -14 upon 6, -13 upon 6. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 rational numbers. Okay, but at the back, whenever you see this see the answer is different. Okay, so I will tell the way how to get the similar answers that is given in our back exercises, back answers. So for that question, for getting there is another method basically, but you don't use that method. I just tell you because if you are little confused while watching the answers or while seeing the answer, you may be little confused. So for that, according to answers, we can do like this upon 2. This is the first rational number. We just add this number and divide by 2. Now this is we have to find the 5 rational numbers between this. So this is the way to find first rational number is equal to -3 plus -2 upon 2, which is equal to -5 upon 2. Up now -3 comma -5 upon 2 comma -2. This number exactly comes in between -3 and -2. Then if you find another number, then you can use second rational number is equal to -3 plus -5 by 2 upon 2. Now this is clear. तो ये तुम्हारे आंसर्स के लिए बताया, but you don't use this method. You can use this method only. Okay, this is the way to find the uh, answers that is matched from the back. Okay, and you can use the formula this. These are the two number x plus y upon 2. This is the method. If you use this method, you get the same answer that is given in our answer portion. So this is little difficult to calculate, so you can use this method only. Find 5 rational numbers between -3 by 2. So you can just, if you want 5 rational numbers, don't tell anything in between. If you want five rational numbers, then you can multiply whatever the number with the next number. If you want 5, then you can multiply with 6. If it is 10, you can multiply with 11. If you want 20, then you can multiply with 21. Next number. You have to multiply with next number. Is that clear? Now, now the question number 9, you have to do your own in homework, and I will solve the question number 10 for you. Question number 10 is 5 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 2. So you just write this, put some space and write like this, and then check the LCM. Now the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So first you make your denominator same. After that we can multiply minus 6 by 10, and now it is 5 minus 5 upon 10. Now your new fraction is minus 6 upon, new rational number is this. So now this. Now you want 5 rational numbers, so you can multiply with 6 only. It will become 36 upon 60, and 6 into 6. You get minus 30 upon 60. Clear? Now the numbers are, or rational number, no, right? Rational number between minus 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 2 are minus 35 upon 30, minus 34 upon 30, minus 33 upon 30, minus 32 upon 30, at last minus 31 upon 30. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exact 5 numbers comes in between the two numbers. If you want 10 numbers, then you can multiply with 11. If you want 20 rational numbers, then you can multiply with 21. It's just the next number. Whatever the question is, if we find 100 rational numbers, then we have to multiply with 101. Clear? Is there any doubt? Now in exercise 4b, the question number 9 is the only homework, and now we start exercise 4c. Copied? सबने? Now the next exercise, the exercise is 4c. If if you are finding any problem, this class is recorded. You may watch in YouTube also. Now the question number 1. Add the following rational number. Same, these are very simple questions, same like the fraction, but the fraction is a rational number, so we can solve as a whatever we already read in fraction. तो fraction की तरह ही हमें इसे solve करना है. Okay, I start with question number 2, part 2. But for this, you have to take care about the sign. Sign is very much important in this, because it is a rational number, not a fraction. So you have to, the question is, question number 1 is add. So the question number 2, part 2 is minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. So you just write like this and put the numbers in bracket first. And one more thing, you can check the sign, how you write the sign for the addition or subtraction. So if it is minus and minus, the operation means what we have to do plus. If it is minus plus, then you have to do minus. If it is plus minus, don't बोलना नहीं है माना बोलना नहीं है, please don't say anything. If it is minus minus, then you can do plus. If it is minus plus, then you can do minus. If it is plus minus, then you can do minus. And one more thing, कि साइन साइन किस नंबर का हमें यूज करना है. वी हैव टू यूज द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर ऑलवेज, बिगर रैशनल नंबर. हमेशा every time we have to use the sign of a bigger number. Now the denominator is same. We can write 5 here, then minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1, minus plus is minus. So 2 minus 1 is 1. We can write 1 upon 5. Then we can check the sign. Sign of bigger number means that 2 is bigger number. So it will be minus 1 upon 5. This is the answer. Now see the part number 6. Minus 2 upon 9 and minus 5 upon 9. So you know that the LCM is 9 and you have to write in a bracket first and put the sign here plus. So the LCM is 9, so you can write 9 here, then it minus 2, and now see, this is multiplication here, means when this is a bracket, it means that this is a multiplication, means plus in bracket is this, it means that multiplication. So minus in multiplication or divide, minus plus minus is minus, minus multiplied by minus is plus, in the same division also. So in this the plus minus is minus, now it will be 5. And now what is the operation? Minus minus is plus, so minus minus is plus, so you just add 5 plus 2 is 7 upon 9, and now you check the bigger number sign, it will be minus. So this is the way how we add the rational number when the denominators are same. Exercise 4C, question number 1, do the rest part. Copied or any doubt? Okay. Okay, okay. Hana, are you eating something? तो क्या कर रहे हो? Now the question number 2. Add the following rational numbers. Same question number 2 is again the addition. Add the rational number. So let us see the second part. Second part is minus 5 upon 9, put in bracket, put the plus sign, and then 2 upon 3. In this, the denominator is different. So first we take out the LCM of 9 and 3. We know that the LCM of 9 and 3 is 3. So it will be, now the LCM is 9 and we can write minus 5 as because this is 9 only, and then plus. This fraction is multiplied with 3 to make the denominator 9. So it will be 6 here. Now minus 5 plus 6 is equal to, तो उसके लिए हमें चेक करना है कि what is the sign, minus plus is minus, so 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 9, and now you check the sign. So 6 is a bigger number, so it is positive 1 upon 9. Clear? Any doubt in this question? Anyone has any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, I will do the next part. Now the sixth part. Now the sixth part. If 1 upon minus 9 plus 4 upon minus 27. So, आकृति जरा मुझे बताओ कि ये 1 upon minus 9 is in a standard form of a rational number. ये क्या स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है? You know what is standard? You know what is standard form? क्या होता है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? डिवाइडिंग दैट नंबर. गुड. तो तुम क्या पढ़ाई कर रही हो मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आता जी. तुम पढ़ भी रही हो या सिर्फ आज पहली बार क्लास अटेंड कर रही हो क्या इस वीक में? मंडे को एब्सेंट थी तुम? आर यू एब्सेंट ऑन मंडे? No sound is coming. How is it be possible? You can check your internet connection. From my side, the voice is clear. Okay. Or if there is any problem, this class is recorded. You can watch in YouTube also, or your school app also. Okay. Voice is okay. Voice is okay. No problem in the voice. तो ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. हम इसे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, बट हमें ऐसा यहाँ करना नहीं है. वी जस्ट राइट. हम इसको सीधा लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज माइनस 1 अपॉन 9 इन ब्रैकेट प्लस माइनस 4 अपॉन 27 बिकॉज इन रैशनल नंबर डिनोमिनेटर नेवर बी नेगेटिव. किसी भी रैशनल नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. So if it is like this, so you can convert it or you can write it directly like this. Now check. The LCM of 9 and 27 is equal to 27. If you are finding a LCM of 9 and 27, it will be. What is the full form of LCM? Upasana, can you tell me what is the full form of LCM? Upasana Bharti, can you tell me what is the full form of LCM? What is the full form of LCM? What is the full form of LCM? Upasana, can you tell me what is the full form of Upasana? Can you tell me what is LCM? Yeah, least common multiple. Yes, good. So the least common multiple of 9 and 27 is 27. So the LCM is 27. Is that clear now? Now minus 1 upon 9 in bracket plus minus 4 upon 27, we make the denominator same by multiplying the first rational number with 3. Now the denominator is same, then we can write 27 here. And minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus minus 4 in bracket. Now, if we remove this bracket, then it will be minus 3 minus 4 upon 27. And minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus minus is plus. So it will be 7 upon 27. And by using the bigger number sign, it will be minus 7 upon 27. Is it be clear to all? समझ आ गया? समझ आ गया? Everyone must copy this. Then I will move to the another question. I will move to the next part. Question number 7. Now let us see the seventh part also. In this, the number is minus 9 upon 24 plus minus 1 upon 18. Now, first we check the LCM. LCM of 24 and 18. So, now Anna, tell me what is the LCM. Now Anna, tell me what is the LCM of 24 and 18. Now Anna, tell me what is the LCM. अब क्या LCM निकालना पड़ रहा है तुम्हें? Anyone? Ankesh? Without finding the LCM, are you able to tell me what is the LCM of 24 and 18? Yes. Then how do we make the denominator same? 24 times 3. Mute your voice, please. If we multiply the first fraction with 3, the denominator will be 72, and if we multiply the second fraction with 4, the denominator must be 72. Now, we can take the denominator as 72, and then 9 3s are 27, minus 27 plus minus 4. So, if we remove the bracket, this is minus 27 minus 4 upon 72. So, minus minus is plus, so it will be 31 upon 72. Now, check the sign for the bigger number. It will be minus 13 minus 31 upon 72. Okay, noted, copied. Question number 2, do the rest part. Now, whatever the classwork, second, 6 and 7, and the rest you have to do your own in your homework copy. Can I rub now? Copied? सबका हो गया? हाँ, question number 2. Question number 1, all parts. And दो पार्ट मैंने यहाँ पर करके दिखाया था, that is the second and sixth. So you can do second part and sixth part in your classwork copy, and rest you do in your homework copy. In question number 2, यहाँ पर मैंने 3 पार्ट करके दिखाया है, second, sixth and seventh. Now the rest you have to do in your homework copy. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा जिसने मुझसे अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा था? Harsh, I think na you are late to join this class, I think. So next time you can join the class on time, please. You know what is your time to time for the maths class? 1:20. So you can check. Next time अगर मुझे तो 1:20 के बाद नजर आए, तो I will put you in waiting room. Clear? सभी को बात समझ में आ गई? I want कि everyone come as soon as possible. क्योंकि 1:20 पे हमारी क्लास होती है. I only wait for 5 minutes. So 1:20 to 1:25 I will wait. Otherwise I am not allowed the student to come inside the class. So now the question number 3. Evaluate. Now this is just a simplification. If the denominator is same, you can do the same like C minus 3 upon 5 plus 7 upon 5 plus minus 1 upon 5. You know that the denominator is same, so there is no need to find out the LCM. We just write we just write 5 as a common 5 as a common or LCM. Now we write minus 3 plus 7, and now plus minus is minus, then we can write minus 1. Now using the BODMAS, every time you can use BODMAS, BODMAS. BODMAS is very much important. Bracket of, divide, multiply, add, then subtract. Every time you have to solve question while using BODMAS only. So minus 3 and minus 1, it will become minus 4 plus 7 upon 5. So now the minus plus is minus, so it will be 3 upon 5. Now check the bigger number. So bigger number is 7, so your answer is plus 3 upon 5. Is it be clear? So question number 3, second you have to do your own. I will solve the third part. Copied? Good. Now the third part. Now the third part is 11 upon minus 12 plus 3 upon minus 8 plus 1 upon 4. So first we make the denominator positive. So we put the sign like this. Okay, we have to transfer the sign from the denominator to numerator, because we know that the fraction, because in rational number denominators are non-negative. Then we have to find the LCM of 12, 8 and 4. Anyone fast? Yes? 24? तो किसने आंसर किया था? या आंसर किसने किया था? उपासना. Okay, good. The LCM is 24. Now we make our denominator 24 by multiplying the number. So first fraction is multiply by 2, second multiply by 3, and the third multiply by 6. Then the denominator becomes 24. Now we have to write the denominator, means the LCM is 24. So now it is 11 twos are 22. Then here is the sign. You can see the sign always. 3 threes are 9. So it's minus 9. Then plus 6. Now minus 22 minus 9, minus minus is plus. So 22 plus 9 is 31. 31 plus 6 upon 24. Sorry, minus 31. Minus 31 plus 6 upon 24, because 22 is bigger, negative is bigger. Now it will be 30, plus minus is minus, 31 minus 6 is 31 minus 6 is 25 upon 4, and we put the minus sign because the bigger number is negative. And then we have to convert it into mixed fraction. 1 upon 24 is the answer for this question. Clear to all or not? Clear to all or not? Now I want to solve one more part for you. Fourth part and fifth part is your homework. I will solve the sixth part. Now minus 13, the question is minus 13 upon 5, sorry not 5, 8 plus 5 upon 16 plus minus 1 upon 4. So we have to take out the LCM of 8, 16 and 4. Tell me the LCM. कितना देर सोचते हो? So the LCM is 16. Now you can multiply your fraction according to the LCM. Clear? And the second fraction is 5 upon 16 already, so we can't multiply with anyone. Or if you want to show, then you can multiply with 1. Now the LCM is 16. Now we can write the numbers. Minus 13 to the 26 plus 5, and now here you have to change the sign. Plus minus is minus, and then 4. Then minus 26 and minus 4. First you solve according to the BODMAS. So minus 26 minus 4 is minus 30 plus 5 upon 6. So now plus minus is minus 30 minus 5 is 25 upon 16, and the bigger number is negative, so you have to put minus sign here. Now you can change this into mixed fraction also. So it will be 9. So it will be minus 1, 9 upon 16. ये क्या तुम बीच में ओके कैसे बोल देते हो? तुम्हें पता नहीं चलता कि क्लास में क्या हो रहा है? बीच में ओके सर कर देते हो. इसका मतलब है कि यू आर नॉट अटेंटिव इन क्लास. कहीं छोड़ छोड़ के क्लास जाते रहते हो. Now please copy this, and this is the last question for today's class, and you can mark the homework also. I will try to put, because वो app you can check in app there is some problem, question वो हो जाता है गलत, उल्टा पुल्टा. So you have to take care about your homework, whatever given in the class. Okay. So how much time is left now? Ankesh, how much time is left? Okay. Now you can, now I am close my class. You can send me the attendance, please. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. You can go now. Join to next class. Bye bye. Bye bye.